Do you know how easy it is to make a skirt for Francie? I am Busy Bee from Germany. I'm a longtime Barbie collector and a Barbie dog for almost 10 years. Today I show you an easy way how to make a basic skirt pattern for Francie. This video is for all my sewing enthusiasts and future sewing enthusiasts. For this project you need white grease-proof paper with the measurements of 11 × 5 centimeters, adhesive tape, a biro and a pair of scissors. So you need 2 lines on your paper. I've already done it here for making this video a little bit faster. The first line is the vertical line and the second one goes over the widest part of her body, in our case the bum. I taped the line once round the body. My paper ends at the waist. I made markings on the important parts of the doll. I'm going to show you some pics of her. That's why you see now some pics. Let me know if this is clear to you or not in the comments. We have the advantage that she has 2 equal body parts, not like humans. That's why we can do it this way here. It's important to cut into the ends of the grease-proof paper in the direction to her hips. That will support us to find the right dart. Like always, it's the thing of right positioning. I form the dart here with my fingers and start to make the sewing pattern. The adhesive tape on her body helps me so I can copy it onto my paper. I only use a quarter part of the body and then extend the pattern until I have the length I need. It's a kind of rectangle for this skirt. What you just saw in production is the raw pattern without seam allowance. Add 0.5 centimeters to the pattern as a seam and double the front part like you see it here. So this skirt will fit Francie. You can make any length you want. My pattern here is a little bit longer, but that's no problem. Let me tell you here a few words about the darts. The darts are the secret weapon of any tailor because they are an elegant and stylish way to get rid of too much fabric between areas where you have big differences like waist and hip in our case. But our darts are very short because the difference is only very short here. And how do we sew it together? Attach the back parts of the skirt first with a stretched stitch. So you attach the back parts to the front parts of the skirt. I do the stretch stitch here several times because I wanted to be sure that my fabric is attached properly. Now we have one piece of fabric. Now we continue doing the darts. The darts are an important factor to make the skirt really fit close to Francie's body. I do not cut the darts out at first. I leave the fabric in there and cut later after having finished the dart. It's in my opinion easier because you don't cut away too much fabric and the dart will be a perfect one. After doing the darts, I suggest doing the hemline towards the hip. We have enough fabric here. Then continue with the hemline towards her knees. After that, I suggest clothing the skirt. I do it with a sense of feeling where to stop for the bum. I've done some skirts before. The last step is making nice edges and then we're done. I hope you like my little video. I hope you could see how easy it really is to make a skirt for Francie, Barbie or any other doll. Question of the day is, have you done a skirt by yourself or for a doll yet? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you share, like and subscribe. Let me see your pics of your skirts on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter or TikTok. See you in the next weeks. Your Busy Bee from Germany. Bye!